Hello beautiful people. We are at Casa Maya today and it's really bright out, but look at the ocean. We got beautiful waves. We're right at the front of the line for the chairs and umbrellas. Got my sister and brother-in-law here. Woo! Daniel. So far we've paid for our wristbands, Halo wristbands. So if you come here, it's 250 pesos for using the chairs and umbrellas. And then it goes towards food and drink as well. So you can enjoy this for the day and get food and drink, and then whatever goes over 250, I believe, you pay the difference of. So for about 15, what is it, would be $12 to $15 for a person?
It'd be $25 for a couple.
Yeah, like $25 a couple. So not bad to be able to have some shade if you need it. And we get a great view right here. And then later, we're gonna go on that thing. It's an inflatable obstacle course that it actually, like from the sky, it spells out Cancun, but you can't tell from here. But yeah, we're gonna see how much that is.
Looks like it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Also, you can bring your own beers.
What do you got? Some Jack Daniels.
And ginger paste.
And ginger. Daniel's got
Superior.
Superior. We got Pacifico.
What about this?
And Sarah and I have our mango and strawberry margaritas.
Putting that 250 to use.
Yeah, so those were 90 pesos each for 12 ounces. And then there's like food and drink on the menu. We got some food coming later, so it's gonna be good.
I don't want to drink the rest, but
No?
it was very sweet, and I don't think there was any alcohol in it, because, or very little. It didn't taste like it. And
Yeah.
I don't have a buzz.
Yeah, I don't have a buzz
Zero
either.
buzz, so.
I finished my mango margarita, and I thought at the end that maybe the last bit would be like the tequila that sunk to the bottom, but honestly, still didn't taste like tequila. I feel like there was a very slight amount. Like I feel like I could taste a little in mine, but no buzz. And
I think it's because you're alcoholics. You guys drink too much.
No.
So one shot didn't do it for you guys.
No.
I would definitely bring your own booze to the beach, because then you'd have a much stiffer drink, and you get exactly what you want, because I think it's a little bit of a gamble to get the dessert drinks.
Right. Bring a flask.
Yeah, bring a flask.
Yeah.
I mean, you're just gonna get bottom shelf liquor
Yeah.
anyway.
But bottom shelf liquor usually isn't smooth anyway,
You get, like,
so you
one
definitely taste it in a
jigger
mixed drink.
per 12 ounces. That's
Okay.
It's supposed to be 1.5 ounces of alcohol in this out of 12 ounces total.
it's 1 ounce, so it's like 11 to 1
like
ratio.
Strawberry
No.
juice.
Yeah.
It's just strawberry juice. Somebody put strawberries and some ice in a blender and was like, here's a daiquiri or margarita for you.
Right. Yeah, no, it said on the menu 1.5 ounces of alcohol in the 12-ounce drink. But and then we finished our fajitas. We had vegetarian fajitas. I think yours was actually supposed to be a queso.
It's quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
But it didn't come like a quesadilla I would expect. Like in America, like we fry them and like put two tortillas together like a sandwich and fry it in a pan, and usually it's like cut like pizza. And this was not like that. It was more like a taco. So
I wonder if they just got your order wrong, because
I think they made a mistake.
I think in this region they do.
I honestly don't care too much.
Yeah.
I just wanted food in my stomach.
Yeah,
And I feel
so we
great. I
pretty
wanna
much
go swimming.
finished it. Yeah, it is time to swim. Our bellies
After
are full.
we wait a responsible 30 minutes, we're gonna go swimming.
Who does that? I'm ready to rock and roll.
Yeah.
We can always just like get at the edge right there.
Let's should dip our feet in.
Yeah, let's dip our feet in.
Okay.
Do it.
Jay, are you in for us?
No, it's you just go inside the water after you leave. You have to wait like an hour or 2 hours.
An hour or 2 hours?
That's too long.
What lies is this?
You have to wait at least 30 minutes. Everybody knows that.
Only your mom says that.
Your mom says that.
My mom said that.
I'm a great.
Everybody's mom says that.
It's like if you eat a big meal and then you go running. Yeah, you're going to puke. But if you just like sit in the water, you're not gonna,
Right. I'm not trying to.
The sharks are
trying to
gonna
swim
know
laps.
you have a belly full of food and they'll attack
I
you.
have a feeling like blood.
No, they like food in your tummy, and they know.
Oh, because you have more yum.
They can
You have more
smell
yum.
it.
They can
You're more delicious.
smell
if
it.
you
You're
have
more
food in your
delicious.
belly.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, these crazy kids are trying to feed the birds.
Okay, 2 more.
No, no.
You're gonna get bit by a bird.
Jay's trying.
Oh my god, I hope that happens.
In Korea, you have a snack and then you hold it like this, and then old birds like try to catch it like this.
Mmm.
He almost did it if I had scared him away.
Why are you so scary, Sarah?
There's a bird coming towards my husband. It got a sharp beak. You see that? It looks like it has minerals in its eyes.
Look at their menacingness. Look at the face. Look at it. Ah! It's a menacing bird call.
Damn, he caught that like Travis Kelce.
The beat.
So we just got done with that inflatable, what is it called?
Obstacle.
Obstacle.
Oyster,
That was fun.
tired.
I was so tiring. So we did an hour of it for 300 pesos or about $15. So I think it was well worth it because you get your workout in, you burn off some of your beers, but you feel drunk while you're doing it.
Yeah.
Feel very drunk while
because of the waves and the flotation device, you know, it rocks you, and you're standing, so then you can't like stand up straight, so you don't
it's a workout.
After we eat a
It
lot,
makes you really tired.
There were spots where you could race.
for like
I don't know how many times we raced, but I feel like I won all of them.
Yeah, you did.
But there were some spots where you made it across and I didn't.
Yeah.
There's a lot of jumping off things into the water and slides. There's a swing that neither of us could manage to actually do.
Our
Actually,
arms
you
are
did
too
it
long.
once.
I almost did it.
You almost did it.
Yeah, because our arms are so long on the swing that we hit the water really swing.
Yeah, so you like swing down into the water instead of getting across. And I think it was meant for kids. That part, at least.
Oh yeah, for kids. I would recommend at least taking goggles with you because you're going to splash around a lot and get water in your face.
Yeah, that's a good
definitely
call.
wear goggles.
Yeah.
And definitely wear like beach shorts or something like that.
Yeah, I put on some shorts.
Your swimsuit.
Yeah, you might get some wedgies, so maybe some shorts.
Yes,
are good.
you gotta hold your pants down when you slide down slide.
Yeah, you can't bring any like phone or camera on it, so.
But you wouldn't want to.
Yeah, no, you need both hands for sure.
Yeah, you need all your hands.
But overall, I think it's worth it. I think you can do 2 hours as well for $20. But honestly, I think
You don't need more
an
than
hour
an
was
hour.
enough to get across all of it. Yep.
Yeah, I would do it again. Yeah.
So we just got back from the beach and now we're at this food truck park called El Deck and have a ton of food trucks. We've been here before, but we haven't eaten at the one that we want to eat at tonight called Walking Dead.
W-O-K.
Yeah, so it's like stir fry, wok.
Well, I think we're about to go order, get some dinner in our bellies. Anything you want to add?
It's been a long day, so we're just gonna enjoy our food, enjoy the atmosphere here, and call it a night. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bookmark our page.
That's right.
Do it.
Bye!